Hey guys, today in this video we'll learn how to create your own code snippet in VS Code and boost your productivity. In this video we'll get 3 code snippet, 1 for CSS, 2 for JS and 3 for JSX. When you work with vanilla CSS, many times you need to write display flags, random center, just review content center. But from now you have to write only 2 letters. This is CD. Similarities in JS and JSX also. To create your own snippet, click File, go to the Preferences, then click Configure User Snippet. Select the language for which you want to create the snippet. I am selecting JavaScript JSX. First of all, you have to create a title. Title means when you write the command, you have to see the title. Then prefix. Prefix means the command or shortcut you want to access the code. In the body, you will write all the code that you want to create with this snippet. For simplicity, I have copied the code and pasted it here, but I need to convert it into JSON. Description is optional. You can create description or leave it. Let me check the snippet is work or not. The snippet is work properly, but I have to edit something. Inside the h2 I don't need the dollar symbol and the parenthesis. And I want to multiple cursor also. And for multiple cursor, I will write dollar and h1. Let me check again. The snippet is work or not. Now it is work correctly. Now I will create another snippet for CSS. The title will center a div. Prefix, it will CD. Means center a div. Body, display flags, align items center, display content center. I made a mistake intentionally to understand you that there can be no mistake here. Description will center a div. Let me check the CSS snippet is work or not. Here is my mistake actually. Let me check again. The CSS snippet is also work properly. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.